Welcome! Today I'm here to discuss the various aspects required to establish a successful connected learning community. My goal is to create a Facebook group that will provide the space and forum for Texas high school teachers that are passionate about implementing project-based learning in their classrooms. First, I will begin by defining what it means to be a connected learner. This definition helped me better understand the conditions I must provide in my Facebook group to foster collaboration within my connected learning community. According to Nussbaum, Beach, and Hall, a connected learner actively engages with a community of peers to develop networks and co-construct knowledge. Nussbaum, Beach, and Hall also explain that a connected learner moves away from a mindset of being the expert and towards a learner mindset. This learner mindset spurs a willingness to exchange information, ideas, and resources with others. The connected learner also engages in discussion and collaborates with others to find innovative solutions. Lastly, the connected learner is in constant search for updated information on the topic of interest and stays current with the latest trends. With a better understanding of what a connected learner needs, my goal is to establish a space for Texas high school teachers that wish to collaborate in the implementation of project-based learning, also known as PBLs. Facebook Groups offers many features that allows members to participate in discussions, post questions, and share resources. Next, I will discuss how I plan to leverage the features that Facebook Groups offers to develop my connected learning community. Let's discuss the steps that I will take to foster a culture of collaboration. First, I will foster a culture of collaboration by encouraging members to share their PBL experiences, resources, and successes. I will also post weekly discussion prompts on various PBL topics to stimulate conversation and idea exchange. Building relationships online requires consistent engagement and meaningful interactions between members. For that reason, I will start with an introduction thread where members can share their background, interests, and goals. I will also assist in connecting experienced PBL practitioners with newcomers for personalized guidance. Additionally, I will encourage small group collaborations on PBL units or projects to foster teamwork and deeper connections. Fostering collaboration on PBL best practices is at the heart of my community. I will foster that collaboration by creating weekly posts where teachers can share and discuss their PBL practices and strategies. I will also organize monthly collaborative projects where teachers can work together on designing PBL activities or lesson plans. These projects will be facilitated through group discussions and document sharing in the file section of the group. Additionally, I will encourage members to share resources by posting articles, research papers, and book recommendations related to PBLs. As explained before, I will use Facebook groups as my primary social media tool. Facebook offers a familiar, user-friendly platform that supports various media types, discussion threads, and real-time interactions. This will enable me to create a dynamic and interactive community. My Facebook group will be titled Texas High School PBL Innovators, and it will be the central hub for engagement. To keep the Facebook group engaged, I will post regular updates in which I will share relevant articles, videos, and resources related to PBL, and I will encourage members to do the same. I will also utilize the polls feature to gather input and survey my group members to gain insights on various PBL topics. Additionally, I will be hosting live virtual sessions with educators experienced in the implementation of PBL so that members can ask questions and get guidance to successfully implement their own PBLs. My first task is to start and nurture the group, and to accomplish this, I will first host a virtual launch event to introduce the group's purpose and objectives. I will also be posting content on a weekly basis to help maintain momentum and interest. Lastly, I will create mechanisms for members to provide monthly feedback and suggestions for group activities and content. This will help members feel ownership of the group. To keep the group vibrant and engaging over time, my plan is to introduce weekly themes or topics to keep discussions fresh and focused. Also, I plan to highlight different members and their contributions to recognize and value their input. Additionally, I will bring in guest speakers to present on the latest PBL news and trends. In order to help members adapt to the dynamics of the group, I will provide a comprehensive onboarding video explaining how to navigate the group and contribute effectively. I will also clearly define roles for moderators, content creators, and discussion leaders so that they may assist me in keeping the group engaged and productive. In order to ensure the sustainability of my Facebook group, I plan to take the following steps. First, I will set up systems for members to take ownership of the group by becoming leaders within the group. Having other members manage the group and bring in new perspectives will help me keep the group fresh and innovative. Second, I will evaluate the group by providing opportunities for feedback on what is and what is not working. Third, I will create a resource library where we collect files, videos, and other resources for members to access as needed. There are possible barriers that my group may encounter along the way, and they include time constraints, which I will address by offering flexible participation options like morning and afternoon or weekend live sessions. There might also be engagement fatigue, which I may mitigate by offering varying activities and keeping content relevant and engaging. Lastly, there might also be disruptive behavior, which I will address by implementing group rules for participation and enforcing appropriate actions when a member is disruptive. Thank you for joining me today as I laid out my plans to start and host a collaborative learning community for Texas high school teachers to find support that they need to implement project-based learning in their classrooms.